Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to hard reset your iPhone. A hard reset is a simple yet effective way to resolve common software issues like frozen screens or unresponsive applications without erasing any of your data. It's a quick restart that can often clear up minor glitches, getting your device back to normal operation. This method is distinct from a factory reset, which completely wipes your phone. Let's dive into the steps for different iPhone models. For iPhone 8, iPhone SE second and third generation, and all newer models, the process is straightforward. First, quickly press and release the volume up button. Immediately after, quickly press and release the volume down button. Then, press and hold the side button on the right side of your phone. Keep holding it down until you see the Apple logo appear on your screen. This usually takes about 10 to 15 seconds. If you have an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, the hard reset method involves a slightly different button combination. You will need to press and hold two buttons at the same time. Locate the volume down button on the left side and the sleep/wake button on the right side. Press and hold both of these buttons simultaneously. Continue to hold them down together until the Apple logo appears on your display, then you can release them. For older iPhone models, including the iPhone 6s Plus, and the original iPhone SE, the hard reset procedure uses the Home button. Find the circular Home button below your screen and the sleep/wake button on the right side or top of your device. Press and hold both the Home button and the sleep/wake button at the same time. Keep holding them down until the Apple logo appears on your screen, then release both buttons.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.